Realm of Halloween activity page. From the inside out, a pumpkin spice activity page. Supplies needed: white cardstock, scissors, crayons or colored pencils, glue, brass paper fasteners, and Velcro adhesive dots. For Pumpkin Spice's body, I'm using a soft colored orange marker. I like to outline the outside of Pumpkin Spice's body first and then color the inside. I'm using two different color blues for the eyes, as well as a brown and a gray for the stem. Now it's time to color the rest of her body. Notice the red heart on the shield. This shield will go over the top of her body so that you can place the character trait tags inside. Pumpkin Spice's clothing is in a soft tan. Notice I used a different color for contrast at the waistband. As well as around the collar. Don't forget to look for this free downloadable activity at realmofhalloween.com. Now it's time to color the tags on the character word sheet. Notice that there are blank tags. Also color these tags. They can be used to add your own character words or even opposite words. Now it's time to cut out the tags. I also like to cut out the title of the activity from the inside out, just so that I could use it when I'm instructing or teaching. Now it's time to cut out Pumpkin Spice's clothes. Now it's time to finish up cutting and a little more cutting. Moving on. Now I'm punching holes in all the body parts. This will be where the brass fasteners are placed. I like to laminate my activities, just so that I can store them and keep them longer. I also have a file folder system that I keep them in, just so they're easy to access. Now it's time to do a little more cutting. Notice how the heart shield does not have any holes punched in it. If you're not going to use brass fasteners, this is acceptable. However, if you intend to use brass fasteners, you'll want to hole punch the corners of the front of the shield. Now it's time to cut out more tags. Now that we've finished cutting, I'm using hot glue to glue the shield to the front of Pumpkin Spice. And now it's time to attach the limbs using brass fasteners. Notice the scan code on Pumpkin Spice's leg. This is for a read aloud book. It's easy access, especially if you have a child who will be doing this activity but doesn't have a book. They can always access the video books from the scan code on her leg. When teaching the lesson, just slide the tags inside of Pumpkin Spice. your pumpkin spice paper doll is finished. You can find this free downloadable activity at realmofhalloween.com. For more activities and videos from the Realm of Halloween, and to learn about other characters from the Queens of Halloween Royalty Collection, visit realmofhalloween.com. Celebrate the tradition of Halloween in a new, more beautiful way with Realm of Halloween. Beautiful characters with beautiful messages.